Fears of Ebola are erupting into a battle over civil rights versus public safety. It stems from the quarantine of nurse Kaci Hickox. She went on a bike ride yesterday, blatantly breaking an order from state officials in Maine that she stay in her home for 3 weeks. Don Dahler's in Fort Kent, Maine, where Hickox is defying the governor now. Don, good morning to you.
Good morning. Yes, so far state officials have not issued a court order enforcing a 21-day quarantine for Kaci Hickox. And she says if they do, she and her lawyers are ready to fight.
We are not trying to get anyone sick.
Ted Wilbur, the boyfriend of Kaci Hickox, defended her decision to break the quarantine ordered by state health officials in Maine. The couple rode bikes Thursday morning, followed by a state trooper who did not try to stop them.
Thank you guys. I have to go speak with the health department now.
Wilbur pointed out they even rode away from town to ease fears in the community.
We don't believe that we can get anyone sick, and we are not trying to put anyone at risk.
Later, an official with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention stopped by the house.
She's pushing my patience.
On Thursday, Maine's Governor Paul LePage said state officials had yet to strike an agreement with the nurses' legal team.
2 or 3 times she'd accept something, then she'd backtrack.
LePage would not say if the state was going to take court action, but did say that he would exercise the full extent of his authority allowable by law.
I'm not willing to stand here and let my civil rights be violated when it's not science-based.
President Obama was in Maine on Thursday for a campaign event, but had no plans to visit Nurse Hickox or address the situation while there. White House officials say the CDC has been in contact with state health officials in Maine, adding ultimately it's states and local officials who have the authority for implementing these policies. The White House says it hopes those kinds of decisions are based in science. President Obama has been critical of states that have ordered mandatory quarantines, especially for these returning healthcare workers such as Kaci Hickox. Charlie.
Hey, Don, thank you.